My name is Matt Figgins. I'm an occupational therapist and a certified hand therapist for optimal therapy, and I work at our Fort Apache clinic. Certified hand therapists have extra training in treating any injuries from the fingertip to the shoulder, whether that's after having surgery, a traumatic injury like falling over in an ATV accident, or anywhere down to slicing your finger or arthritis in your finger joints, or just general pain. So a typical evaluation for hand therapy always starts with me getting to know you, your personal goals, what's going on. We'll assess range of motion. From those measurements we take, we're able to then tailor those to the goals that you have to regain the function of your hand better. Your doctor has sent you here to get a custom splint based on the diagnosis of your finger. The splint we're going to make you today is made out of thermoplastic. This plastic here melts when it gets really warm, and then I'll bring it over and I'll drape it to your finger and form it to your finger so it fits you and you only. It gets a little sticky, but I'll be able to pop it open. But once you're wearing it, it's not going to stick to your finger. Okay, we'll just hold your finger straight.
Like a warm blanket.
A lot of patients say it does feel nice. Unfortunately, the heat doesn't last.
Oh.
When I cut it, it always cuts like butter.
Oh, okay. Is that like a show-off thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I cut it.
Yep.
Oh. Thought that would be like harder to take off than glaze them.
And I'm going to make it even on both sides. And then we always make sure to make all the edges nice and smooth and not sharp so that it's as comfortable as it can be. Or even sometimes I've had doctors want the splint made a little differently. And so then instead of having to charge you for a whole new splint, I just use the same material and make it the way they want it. Okay, and so this one now has like the clamshell look to it. We'll put a strap on and it'll clamp down to your finger.
Okay.
So as your finger becomes more or less swollen, it'll fit. So you'll be able to adjust how tight it is around your finger.
Am I okay to wear it outside for a few hours?
Yes, and the instructions for your splint will be provided.
And I'm pinching the side of my...
There you go. It's only going to form better to your hand if it's super hot. The benefit of a custom splint that we make here is that it is easily removable and it's lightweight. If you're wondering if you need a splint or if you would benefit from a splint, you can always come in to Optimal Therapy, and from there we can work through a doctor if we need to, if that is required by your insurance. The question I get a lot from my patients is, how long do I need therapy for? Anywhere from a month to 6 months, in that range. Most often it's at least 2 to 3 times a week that you'll be asked to come to therapy.